Good morning to all students. So yesterday we have discussed about the carcinoma of the thyroid. We have learned about the definition of carcinoma of thyroid and the conflicts also. So carcinoma of thyroid basically comes during the conflict active phase where there is a multiplication of the cells, proliferation of the cells when the cells grow uncontrollably and leads to carcinoma of the thyroid. Then we have studied about the mechanism of development of the carcinoma of thyroid. In today's class, we will discuss about the types of carcinoma of thyroid and the risk factors for carcinoma of thyroid. So here is our part 2. Types of thyroid carcinoma. There are different types of thyroid carcinomas. Thyroid cancers can be described as either differentiated thyroid cancer and undifferentiated thyroid cancer. So differentiated includes well differentiated and poorly differentiated. And the next comes undifferentiated tumors or medullary thyroid cancers. So basically there are only two types of thyroid carcinomas, differentiated thyroid carcinoma and undifferentiated thyroid carcinoma, which we call medullary thyroid carcinoma. अब differentiated thyroid carcinoma के अंदर भी दो होते हैं, well differentiated and poorly differentiated. So differentiated thyroid cancer is of again two types, well differentiated thyroid carcinoma and poorly differentiated thyroid carcinoma. And undifferentiated tumors और medullary thyroid cancers. अब जो हमने बात करी differentiated और undifferentiated की. अब जो differentiated thyroid cancer है, this cancer arises from the follicular cells and it is known as differentiated thyroid carcinoma. Okay, so next, well differentiated thyroid carcinoma is papillary thyroid carcinoma and follicular thyroid carcinoma, can be treated and usually be cured. जो differentiated होते हैं carcinoma, जिनके अंदर दो सब types हैं, well differentiated and poorly differentiated. अब again well differentiated tumors के अंदर दो तरह के हैं, papillary thyroid cancer and follicular thyroid cancer. Poorly differentiated and undifferentiated tumors are anaplastic thyroid cancers. They are less common. तो अब अगर हम बात करते हैं well differentiated tumors की, जो कि है papillary thyroid cancer and follicular thyroid cancer, they can be easily treated. They are easy to be cured and easy to be treated. लेकिन अगर हम बात करते हैं poorly differentiated tumors की और undifferentiated tumors की, जो होते हैं anaplastic thyroid cancers, they are very rare. They rarely occurs and they are less common. They are difficult to treat and these tumors grow rapidly. बहुत जल्दी ग्रो होते हैं और बहुत जल्दी बहुत क्विकली स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं एंड इनके चांसेस भी बहुत कम होते हैं ठीक होने के. सो दे हैव अ पुअर चांसेस ऑफ रिकवरी एंड पुअर ट्रीटमेंट. Patient with anaplastic thyroid cancer should have molecular testing for a mutation in the BRAF gene. जब हमने पैथोजेनेसिस पढ़ी थी थायराइड कार्सिनोमा की, तो हमने बात की थी BRAF जीन की और RET जीन की. तो जिन पेशेंट्स के अंदर एनाप्लास्टिक थायराइड कैंसर डायग्नोस हुआ है, they should also have a molecular testing for mutation in the BRAF gene. They should also be tested for if there is any mutation, any error in the BRAF gene. Medullary thyroid cancer is a neuroendocrine tumor that develops in the C cells of the thyroid. Remember, जब हमने follicular cells पढ़े थे तो हमने पढ़ा था parafollicular cells, क्योंकि वो follicles के नीचे होते हैं, blue color के cells होते हैं. They are cluster of cells that are called C cells, that is calcitonin. C stands for calcitonin. तो जो medullary thyroid cancer होता है, it develops in the C cells of the thyroid gland. The C cells make a hormone calcitonin, calcium lowering hormone, that helps in maintaining the healthy level of the calcium in the blood. Medullary thyroid cancer is sometimes caused by a change in gene that is passed from parents to child. हमने कहा medullary thyroid cancer क्यों होता है? Due to some changes in the gene that is inherited from the parents to the child. In which gene? In the BRAF gene. There are certain mutations in the BRAF gene. The genes in cells carry hereditary information from parents to child. A certain change in the RET gene that is passed from parents to child may cause medullary thyroid cancer. जो changes RET gene के अंदर होते हैं वो inherit होते हैं, transfer होते हैं from parents to the child and ultimately they result in the development of medullary thyroid cancer. There is a genetic test that is used to check for the changed gene. The patient is tested first to see if he or she has the changed gene. एक genetic test है जिससे हम check कर सकते हैं कि if there are any changes in the gene, क्योंकि हम कह रहे हैं कि कुछ changes होते हैं RET gene में जो कि inherit होते हैं parent से child में. तो एक genetic test है जिससे हम check कर सकते हैं कि उस gene में changes हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं. तो the patient is tested first to see if he or she has a changed gene. पहले हम टेस्ट करते हैं, पहले टेस्ट किया जाता है कि पर्सन के अंदर वो चेंजेस आए हैं कि नहीं आए हैं, उस पर्टिकुलर जीन में चेंजेस आए हैं या नहीं आए हैं. और अगर आए होते हैं, if the patient has those changes, has it, other family members are also tested to find out if they are at increased risk for medullary thyroid cancer. अगर आए होते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट में चेंजेस उसके जीन में, तो फिर अदर मेंबर्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स की टेस्टिंग की जाती है to find out कि if they are at increased risk of developing medullary thyroid cancer. Family members, including young children who have the changed gene, may have a thyroidectomy. जो family members, including children, जिनके अंदर gene में अगर changes आए हैं, तो they have an option which is called thyroidectomy. This can decrease the chance of developing the medullary thyroid cancer. अगर हमने test किया है और changes develop हैं gene के अंदर, then they have an option to go for this procedure. This will decrease the chance of developing medullary thyroid cancer. Now risk factors for the thyroid carcinoma. Risk factors कौन कौन से हो गए thyroid carcinoma के patient में? History of head and neck irradiation, ऐसी कोई history मिलती है हमें. Increased nodular size up to 4 centimeter, कोई नया mass develop हो रहा है, new neck mass, और जो neck mass already है वो enlarge हो रहा है, तो new और enlarging neck mass. Increased nodular size, age 20 to 70 years of age, male gender, family history of thyroid cancer, वोकल कॉर्ड का पैरालिसिस हो गया है, होर्स वॉइस है, नोड्यूल फिक्स टू द एडजेसेंट स्ट्रक्चर, एकदम फिक्स नोड्यूल है एडजेसेंट टू द स्ट्रक्चर्स, टू एडजेसेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स, सस्पेक्टेड lymph node involvement, and iodine deficiency which leads to follicular cancer. Thank you. And in the next class you will study about the clinical manifestations and diagnosis part of the thyroid cancer. Thank you.